Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's get into a vlog today. And today I'm just going for a Thanksgiving party and I thought to make a vlog for you all after so long. And I'm just using a Tinker razor here because my face was so hairy. I didn't get enough time to clean my face, so I just did my upper lips and some part of my face, and now I'm pressing my clothes and to get ready. It was like 6 p.m. in the evening, and then I just brushed my hair and those were damp, and I just took a shower before that and they were a little dry, just damp. You can say I'm using my favorite blow dryer brush, which gives me a smooth hair look, and these hair are super cool with every dress you wear, and the makeup with it looks like bomb. And today I tried something simple. I thought to just get ready simple this time, and I just wore one of my dress. I'm gonna show you further in the video, and you can see the hair now. The length of my hair gets so faster, the growth is so faster, and you can see I cut it like 1 month before, and now the growth is super fast. Anyways, it's a good point, but I'm using a Moroccan oil for my hair, and now I changed my clothes. These are from Grwm, one of the favorite brand from Pakistan, and now I'm just doing my makeup. The Elf primer for obvious, all the time my makeup products are the same, but this time I just wanted to go for a little lighter look because it was just a Thanksgiving party get together at the house, and not too heavy glam. I just wanted a light glam. Then I just used a Fit Me foundation for my skin, and it made my skin look so flawless, and it's a little matte look, not glossy at all, but my face is oily, so I just usually use a little bit of a baking powder because of that winter look, because my skin is dried nowadays. But anyways, I'm using BBA mascara, and all the mascaras are finished. I'm gonna buy a new one for myself, but this one is not bad. This isn't too good at all, but anyways, I didn't had it, so I have to apply this mascara at any cost. And I'm just taking a Pixie blush for my pinky cheeks. For obvious, this is every time I use a Pixie blush because it made me glow. It literally made me glow. And now with I'm using a cheek up from BBA highlighter. It's so good, I must say, and that pinky cheeks looks so good with that my pink shirt. That's a hot pink shirt I bought from Grwm, and I really like it. And now I'm using a tint that was from Fit Me, a cute one. I bought it randomly from any Amazon. I think I just bought it from Walmart, but now I'm loving this. This is for my whole go-to look every day, literally every day. If I don't want the heavy glam look, I just go for that Fit Me, and here it was messing my hand, so I just dropped it down. Anyways, I'm just finding a good lip combo for myself with this shirt, but I wanted to go for pink, but then later I thought to go for a brown look because pink would look little more dramatic, so I went for brown. And with that nose ring, I think brown would look more hot, so I just went for the brown. Finally, I tried 4 or 5 lip shades. Finally, I was seeing this from which brand it was, but I really like this shade, and at last I was using the Essence one because I want the chocolatey brown espresso lips of mine, so I just went for that. And I can see how beautiful it looks with my shirt, and finally I was liking my look. I used a little bit of eyeshadow from the cheek up highlighter. It was a little bit of hack for me and for you guys too. I really liked my look. It was a little simple, but I liked it anyways with that blow dried hair, and it was so good. For me, it was good. I don't know for you guys. If you like my look, just comment down below, and see you in the more vlogs. Coming up vlogs is gonna be surprise for you all, so keep subscribing, keep following, and see you in more vlogs and see you in more videos. Till that, take care of yourself, your family, and your loved ones, and Allah Hafiz.